Hello class 7th. How are you all? In the previous video, I have finished chapter 1, binary number system. There we all are dealing with the number system. And I hope if you once go through all the videos in a series, you will be able to inculcate 99% of the content. I hope by this time conversions are also clear to you. Please go through that. But before that, I would like to say you please share, subscribe and like this channel so that you can be updated about the next video. In this video, I will be discussing about, see what the heading is written, more on MS Excel. We are discussing about MS Excel. I have told you about lot of things in the Excels, functions and how to implement that functions. But before that, a quick revision of the Excel, and this session I will be telling you about two new features, sorting and filtering. Okay, so let's begin. See, I have labeled everything. See, this is the name box, this is the formula bar, this is the formula bar. Okay, what the formula bar do? Formula bar is that bar where we write the formulas for writing the Excel. You know, Excel is used for writing the form for calculations work only, basically, right? And this is sheet. Please see, this is sheet tab, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. At the left corner, this one is the row heading where the cell has been activated. This is the active cell where I have marked it with red. This is the active cell, this is the row, and this is the column. Clear? And wherever we are working, this is the worksheet window. Fine. And this is the toolbar, and this is the ribbon. Both are the toolbars only, but this is specifically called as ribbon. Clear? So let's start our topic, sorting and filtering. So first one is sorting. See, my dear students, here in the home tab, below the file, menu, home, what is this? Toolbar. Below that there is a ribbon. Okay, this is a ribbon bar. Here you can have this sorting. After the AutoSum column, although it is a practical chapter, and this is much more, you can much more better way inculcate if you open up your system and do whatever I am saying it. In case you don't have the system right now, you please go through the videos and you can understand. Okay, so see here, after AutoSum there is an option A, Z, and this funnel type symbol is there. Please look this symbol, funnel type symbol is there. This is filtering. This is what? Filtering and sorting. So what the before going to the practical aspect, first of all understand what is sorting is. Sorting option in Excel can be used to sort a set of data in a definite order. For example, marks in ascending descending order or names in alphabetical order. Means sorting is sorting means arranging of data in a particular order, and there are only two orders. Either you will arrange something in ascending order or in descending order, sometime in alphabetical order. So next, here, see here, look at this first. This is a table I have created in an Excel sheet, right? This is called worksheet, right? So here, serial number, name, English, Hindi, Math, Science, SST, these are the 5 subjects, and the marks is there. Student roll number, serial number is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and names are there, Abhinav, Rakesh, Shubham, Tripti, Manav, Karthik. Names are there, their respective marks are there. Can you see it clearly now? So now let me show you something. After this, select this column. What the column I have marked with the green, I highlighted that column. Select this column, go to this sort and filter tab. In the ribbon box, go to sort and filter option. There you can see short A to Z is option is there, short Z to A, and custom short. Whatever you want, the way. Customize means whatever the customer want, that way you can short. So I have done short A to Z, means I am trying to short it in alphabetical order. So now the shorting of this shorted result of this column is here. See, A, K, M, R, S, T. Every name has been shorted according to the alphabetical order. Now see what the uniqueness of this. See, here Abhinav roll number is 1, so 1. Karthik roll number is 6, so Karthik roll number has been shifted upward. Means not only this column, their respective data is also shorted. The unique feature, interesting na, feature is shorting. Means you have shorted one column, so it's not like the number has been jumbled. Numbers are also accordingly shorted. See, Karthik got 33 marks, so here 33 marks is there. We have shorted only one column, but every data has been shorted properly. I hope shorting is clear. Next one is filtering, filter. After shorting, you can see filter option is there, funnel type option is there. What do you mean by filter? Okay, when you make tea, let's not talk about computer aspect. When you make tea, you filter the tea leaves na? So unwanted tea leaves remain upward and the filtrate tea get filtered out and you got. So you understand what the filter is, filtering. Same is there. Ki whatever unwanted thing you don't want in a particular data, you just filter it out, right? So here see, filter is the method or tool that is used to show only certain amount of information from a selected data. You have selected a particular data and you want this type of information only. So, unwanted information, filter it out. So let's see. Here you have want to filter an option. Select all. I have unselected 34 and 45. Okay. In my previous, I'll show you in this 23, 34, 35, all the numbers are there. But here only the data which I have selected, I want, that will be displayed. Am I clear with filtering and sorting? Please let me know in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.